clearly the 4th of July outside. Did you hear that? I'm gonna let you finish. It's your girl 2 Degrees No Job, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to make 2020's most viral planters. As you know, everyone is going cuckoo over plants, and so am I. So I thought, well, hey, why not? This would be a perfect time to show y'all how to make some really cool planters. Let's get started. I'm gonna need this though. For this DIY, you'll need a basketball, some chain, eyelets. You'll need 3, what is it called? Key? What's this called?
A few moments later.
Key ring. Key ring. Key ring. And then you'll need a heavy-duty snap tool. I don't have the appropriate tool, so I'm gonna try my best. I am using, and you should be careful, a knife, and I have 3 scissors here to see which one might work. And of course, a plant. I'm gonna be using this, which I took off of my plant. Map out the circumference of where I'm going to make the hole. Looks about right. So now, ooh, this is thick. Oh. Not too shabby. Okay, we're working. The thing is, what I want to prevent is putting the plant in here without the grow pot, because there's not a lot of ventilation in here, and as long as I have the grow pot, I'm able to take it in and out and stuff. Now that we've got the hole, we're going to make holes on the sides so that the planter can hang. So I'm going to trace the position of the eyelets with a pen. And I want them to go pretty close to each other because my key rings aren't that big. And then on the other side. In order to install the eyelet, we have to use the heavy-duty snap tool. And this is going to help us make the hole that will allow us to put the eyelet into the basketball. Key ring. Every week and you watch my videos but you're not subscribed, so please subscribe. It's somewhere over here. Next. Listen, this is such an easy one. If you do not own a candle, who are you even? All you need is an empty candle jar, E6000, and a glue gun. Yes, all you gotta do is glue the lid to the bottom of the candle. You don't gotta do this part, but I removed the rubber piece that the jar has, but it's completely up to you. That's it.
That's it!
I said, wow. Last DIY, so you'll need floral foam, spray paint, and a glue gun. I'm going to be using Stone Coarse Texture Spray Paint. I didn't do a really good job because it was kind of hard. The foam was absorbing the spray paint. So once we're done, we're going to have to go back outside and spray paint them. I decided to use a little bit of E6000 as well, you know, just to make sure that it's secure. So these have little ridges right here on the back of them. You just want to make sure that you line up the ridges so that it doesn't show. Do I still have to say it? Yeah, I am. This is my favorite video. Yeah, I know. Let me know what you all think. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'ma see ya. Peace. Sweetheart, since you're still watching or whatever, like, what's up? Watch my other videos. Like, I do home decor and DIY videos every 2 weeks. Feel free to also follow me on Instagram. It's at twodegreesnojob. So, yeah.